19. 19. COVID-19. We use an aspirated T or a puff of air in the word 19. 19. COVID-19.
75 years after the end of World War II and the founding of the United Nations, we are once again engaged in a great global struggle. We have waged a fierce battle against the invisible enemy, the China virus.
The novel coronavirus of 2019 is called Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2, or SARS-CoV-2. The illness caused by the novel coronavirus is called COVID-19, or Coronavirus Disease 2019. For more information on coronavirus and COVID-19, go to cdc.gov.
China virus, which has claimed countless lives in 188 countries. In the United States, we launched the most aggressive mobilization since the Second World War.
19. For more information on coronavirus and COVID-19, go to cdc.gov.
安心安全な大会を成功させ、安心安全な大会を成功させ、未来を生きる子どもたちに夢と希望を与える歴史的な歴史に残る大会を実現したいと思います。
The stress in COVID falls on the first syllable, co. It has the clear vowel O and is held longer. COVID. The second syllable has the reduced I vowel and is shorter in duration than the first syllable. COVID. Americans use an unreleased D in this word. Rather than saying COVID-19 with a break between the words, we release the D right into the N of 19.